1. A trick to insert a screw into a narrow pipe. 2. Use a magnet instead of a threaded rod. 3. A great hack for fixing screws in wood. 4. A super quick way to reuse zip ties. 5. How to get a perfect 90-degree angle fast. 6. A clever tip for joining wood. 7. How to easily enlarge a hole in wood. 8. A pro trick to mark corners on a post. 9. For rusty old screws in wood and plastic, this is a great way to remove them. Friction and heat will loosen everything. This is how to hide a screw in wood so well that even sharp eyes won't notice. 11. Here's another way to enlarge a hole in wood. Someone will wonder where the wooden piece and 2 screws went. A strong way to connect soft and hard pipes without fittings. 13. How to connect a water supply hose to a pipe without threads. This trick saves time. 14. This is how to connect a soft pipe to a faucet when the sizes don't match. 15. You'll be amazed by how you can recycle a plastic bottle like this. How to use a water pipe as a sturdy holder. No need to buy anything. 17. A quick insulation hack when you don't have tape. 18. How to easily tie a rope onto a stainless steel ring. 19. An awesome trick using a paintbrush. 20. Repurpose a plastic bottle into a useful tool. 21. The proper way to connect a gasketed water hose. 22. A tip to keep thread sealing tape tight and secure. 23. Struggling to open a slippery bottle cap? Use rubber for better grip. 24. No one would think of this. Use a fork to twist electrical wire. 25. With this method, you don't have to worry about not seeing inside. 26. An easy way to cut a cable and make a great tool. 27. A neat and secure way to twist 7-strand electrical wire. 28. A trick to fix a screw when there's no magnetic grip. 29. A surprising way to use a plastic pipe. 30. A clever trick for navigating pipe bends. 31. This is how to secure an axe to a handle that's too small.